All right, good morning. We're heading over to our abandoned property, and we're gonna try to put a little footer in today, and hopefully we can port tomorrow. I want to port by hand, so we got 120 bags of sackcrete, but I think what I'm gonna dig tomorrow or today is gonna take about 70, what I'm figuring. So we got Maverick with us. Jax is in the back seat. I think he's taking a nap. So I'm getting a kind of late start today, but I think we'll be fine here. This is how Maverick wants to ride on me. I think just so he can see out. But when Lori gets in there, he don't want nothing to do with my lap. He wants to ride on Lori's lap, but he lays down. So, not sure. I guess he'll just like seeing out. I gotta drive. We got oncoming. So yeah, this is only 10 minutes from the house, so it's a pretty short drive. Trying to look over there and see what the neighbors down the road, they got the house jacked up and looked like some rotten floor joists they were replacing. And that's a big old hole right here in the road. Yeah, there's some big old holes out here, but this is the little town of Steinsville. We go through the town quite a bit going to town. There's the Steinsville School, and that's actually where I went to elementary at, 1 through 5, and they closed that down 4 or 5 years ago and moved everybody to Ellisville. So I don't know if that's for the good, the bad, or the worst, who knows, but that's what they did. Usually I meet somebody right here on these corners. So yeah, the little general store's still open. They got pizzas and hamburgers and stuff in there, but it's closed down a few times over the years, and somebody else has reopened it. There's a county, maybe they're on go up Steinsville Road there. they got this road here a couple weeks ago, so it's a lot better. We got to straddle that stick. Oh. Right now is actually, that's where the old railroad used to come across, and it ran through Gosport. Actually, it ran from Indianapolis to Gosport, through Steinville and Ellettsville back into Bloomington. Yeah, you get stopped by that train when we was in school, elementary, and we get stopped by that train. Everybody on the bus always had to count the cars. I don't know if it was a thing. I don't know if anybody else did it or not, but every time we get stopped by a train, we had to count. That probably drove the bus driver crazy back in the day. But we all could count to 100 pretty easy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I guess if you're in 5th grade and just now count to 100, that's a bad thing, yeah. Maverick has got his head stuck out the window. So yeah, it's only about 22 foot long footer I gotta dig. So it won't be bad. And I get it dug, I'm gonna lay. The reason I decided to do this in 2 different spots, don't do the side footer and that footer at the same time, but the old footers I'm hitting it, so I ain't gonna tear it out. So I'm gonna butt to it, anchor it together. So it's about 22 foot, and I get that laid up a couple blocks, and I'm gonna dig the cross space out a little deeper. Then I'm gonna dig the front footer across. And that's only 12 feet across, so that's not bad. So the way this driveway is angled, I'll show you. I'll flip the camera around and show you here. the old iron bridge and turn around. And that way I can back into it and I ain't backing uphill. But there it is. So yeah, it's a pretty hard corner to make coming this way to low. So it's just about easy to come down here to the old iron bridge and turn around. Especially when you got a dog on your lap. Man, I'm not doing very good at all. I'm gonna have to scratch this video. Glad nobody was coming. I'm gonna blame that one on Maverick that I can't back. A lot better. Yeah, that's looking a little rough what I did first time. But that mirror is way out anyway. That didn't help me none. Got really no excuses. It ain't the first time, and it won't be the last. So, alright, so I'm gonna take the gate down here real quick. Stay right there, Maverick. Alright. I still got it. Maybe it's just a back in day. Hope I can dig better than I can back today. It's gonna be a long one. Yeah, this is sad. Back up here and pull forward just a hair. Give Jack's a little place to jump out. Okay, that's it. Yeah, this is a learn how to back a trailer video. I need to watch some of those.